Hello students, today we will do transformation of sentences. Transformation is to change, and how to change? Whenever we write any sentence, it is in any grammatical form. But the transformation of sentences is transformation of sentence into some other grammatical form. A sentence can be written two ways, in three ways, and here we will learn it. And already we know what are the forms of writing the sentences, and we will revise the same time we will know how to transform them. Look, transformation or conversion of sentences is the process of changing a sentence from one grammatical form to another without changing its sense. It means we are to change the sentence in grammatical form, but its meaning should not change. The meaning should remain after the change that we do. The following examples will show how it is possible to change the form of a sentence without changing its meaning. I will show you some examples, and with that you will get to know how we can change the form of sentence without changing its meaning. First is sentences containing the adverb to. Where to is used. It is used with to, TOO and TO2. It is to and to, and we can change it. As I give you example, the tea is too hot to be drunk. It means the tea is too hot, so hot that it cannot be drunk. So it means to and to. It contains negative sense without having note. So when we change this to and to, then we will have to put note in the sentence with so that. Okay, let's see the example. We will remove to. The news, affirmative sentence is the news is too good to be true. It means the news is so good that it cannot be true. So we changed it the same way. We made it negative. The news is so good that it cannot be true. Here it is called the transformation of sentence. We changed the sentence from affirmative to negative, and what did we do? We removed to. And when we removed this two also needed to be removed, and because to and to contains the negative sense, so we also need to put not here. So the news is too good to be true. The negative became the news is so good that it cannot be true. He is too clever to be easily deceived. The same way, he is so clever that he cannot be easily deceived. Got it? The tree is too high for me to climb. Where we remove this too, there we will put so. And after that, it's adjective, and after that we will put that. Okay, the tree is too high for me to climb. Here for me was, so we had to use I subject. The tree is so high that I cannot climb it. The next is he is too poor to help you. Negative became he is so poor that he cannot help you. Look here, the tense of subordinate clause must follow the tense of verb in the main clause. There are two clauses in each of the sentence. He is so poor is one clause, that he cannot help you, and the note tells you that the whatever tense is there, he is so poor, it is present tense. So here also it should be present tense. Okay. Next is by inserting to. What did we do in the uppercase? We removed to, and here we will put to. The negative is given. He is so weak that he cannot walk. And if we make it affirmative, what we are to put? We are to put to. And when to is put, this TO2 will also be put. The vice versa or reverse of the upper sentences. He is so weak that he cannot walk. It meaning is that he is so weak that he cannot walk. Cannot means negative sense, and two also contain the negative sense, so it will become he is too weak to walk. The bag was so heavy that I could not carry it. It becomes the bag was too heavy for me to carry. For me, because I is there. He is so busy that he cannot come here. It will become he is too busy to come here. The sum is so difficult that one cannot solve it. It will become the sum is too difficult to solve. The third is interchange of degree of comparison. We know that we have 3 degrees of comparison. First is positive degree. Positive degree is used only for telling the quality of any person or place or thing. It means positive degree tells the quality of a noun. And then comparative degree. In comparative degree, we compare two things. We compare two nouns, and in comparative degree, ER is used and THAN than is used with comparative degree. Then superlative degree. In superlative degree, we compare more than two things, and we must remember that the is used with the superlative degree. Look here how to change. In positive degree, no other girl is as tall as Smita. No other girl is as tall as Smita. This is positive degree. It means comparison is done, but the quality of only Smita is told. So as and as is used. No other girl is as tall as Smita. If we make it comparative, then how will you say? We will say that Smita is taller than any other girl. Smita is taller than any other girl. And when we no other girl, it means it is she is compared with many girls, all other girls. So the superlative degree becomes Smita is the tallest girl. Clear? No other food is as nourishing as milk. This is positive degree. No other food is as nourishing as milk. So when we use positive degree, as and as will be used along with the positive degree. And its comparative is milk is more nourishing than any other food. No other food was there, then it became any other food. Milk is more nourishing than any other food. And when it becomes superlative, then milk is the most nourishing food. Okay, this way we also interchange the or transform the sentences. Look here, superlative degree is given and we will to make it into comparative and positive. Kolkata is the biggest city in India. Kolkata is the biggest city in India. When we transform it this way, as big as, so it becomes no other city in India is so big as Kolkata. We can also say no other city in India is as big as Kolkata. And we make it positive, then Kolkata is bigger than any other city in India. Clear? Uranium is one of the most valuable metals. This is superlative degree. When we make it positive, then very few metals are as valuable as uranium. As and as. And when we make it comparative, uranium is more valuable than most other metals. We can also say uranium is more valuable than all other metals. This way you can also do. Then love is the greatest thing in the world. This is the superlative degree. And when we make it comparative, love is greater than any other thing in the world. When we make it positive, no other thing in the world is so great as love or as great as love. Yes. The next is interchange of exclamatory and assertive sentence. You know what is an exclamatory sentence? The sentences that show sudden joy, sudden sorrow, wonder. These type of sentences are exclamatory sentence, and assertive sentence is simple sentence. So exclamatory may be transformed into assertive and vice versa. Vice versa means a positive. opposite मतलब interchange of exclamatory into assertive. It means exclamatory can be made assertive sentence and assertive sentence can be made exclamatory sentence in the following ways. Use very or much. Use very or much. Very or much will be used when we want to make an exclamatory sentence into assertive if how or what is followed by an adjective in the exclamatory sentence. We know in exclamatory sentences how or what is used, and if how and what follows adjective, then we will replace it with very or much. Look example, how sweet the song is, and assertive sentence becomes the song is very sweet. We removed how and used very and its form is changed. As in exclamatory sentence, exclamatory word is used, then adjective is used, and then the subject is used. But in assertive sentence, the subject is used, then helping verb will be there, and then adjective will be there along with very or much. So, how sweet the song is, it became the song is very sweet. What a fine day, and it becomes it is a very fine day. Next is assertive sentence is given. She looked much depressed, and it becomes how depressed she looked. How depressed she looked. Assertive is he is very kind of you. It is very kind of you to help me. And exclamatory becomes how kind of you to help me. Clear hai? Next is use of great or big. What is followed by a noun in the exclamatory sentence? Earlier what was? If how is followed by adjective, then we used very or much. But if what or how is followed by a noun, then we will use great or big. What a nuisance he is. It will be he is a big nuisance. If what a fall it was, then it was a great fall. She is a great fool. What a fool she is. Assertive is from a clerk to an industrialist, a great change. What a change from a clerk to an industrialist. Use I wish if the exclamatory sentence begins with oh or would that. Would that is for imaginary sentences, and for these sentences in place of would that or in place of oh we use I wish. Exclamatory is would that I were a millionaire, and assertive becomes I wish that I were a millionaire. You will have to keep in mind that I were will be the same. Okay, would that I were a millionaire, I wish that I were a millionaire. If exclamatory was oh for life free from worries, I wish for a life free from worries. Okay, next is it is sad for alas, and it is a matter of joy for hurrah. If the sentence starts with alas, then we will say it is sad. If the sentence starts with hurrah, then we will say it is a matter of joy. Look, exclamatory alas, he is ruined, and assertive becomes it is sad that he is ruined. If assertive is it is a matter of joy that we have won the match, the exclamatory becomes hurrah, we have won the match. Okay. The next is interchange of negative and affirmative sentence. Look, we are to keep in mind this is correct that this negative sentence is changed into affirmative. So if we change simply, we put not, but we are to do the changes in such a way that its meaning is not changed. So what we will have to do? We will have to put the opposite. Okay, look, negative was the razor is not sharp, and the opposite of not sharp is sharp. Opposite of sharp is blunt. So if we removed not, then we put blunt. Okay, I say he is not rich, then its opposite will become he is poor. Clear? Negative is no sooner did I reach home than it began to rain. So no sooner did will be changed as soon as. So as soon as I reached home, it began to rain. Negative was do not forget. We can what can we put? Do not forget in place of do not forget. Remember. Do not forget to bring your camera with you. It becomes remember to bring your camera with you. Then he is not without courage. Without courage, opposite of without courage is courage. He has courage. Then everybody admires